So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, about to try and do the same thing I just did, only more appropriately, which would be to actually do what I say I'm going to do as opposed to what I did, which was not. I made puddle pours and then I didn't do anything but tilt them, and I was pretty happy with my result. Let me introduce you quickly to my OXO omelet turning spatula, which is the best paint spreading tool around, being discovered by fluid acrylics artists everywhere. And on my Amazon link below, show more underneath the video, along with my, wait for it, Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. 1 through 6 are really useful. We haven't figured out if number 7 is the ninja tool yet, because I haven't done the ninja swipe, or whatever it's called. Looks more like a thwap to me. But in any case, I haven't done it, and it looked kind of cool. It created some really beautiful abstract accidental art, and I like doing that as much as the next person. And this is a good art therapy day for me today, so I am spreading myself a fairly significant layer of white paint and making sure there is no canvas uncovered, but I'm not sure why that's important, because I'm pretty sure I'm about to do something very similar to what I just did, only this time I'm going to add colors I forgot to use last time, which is a good plan in my opinion. I'm going to wipe off my spatula again, because wiping it off means I will come back to a clean spatula. I cannot tell you how important that part is. It's very important. So, colors I did not use as much of: the mysterious, whatever it's called from Art Minds. I never seem to get it right, and it's been a long time since I saw the bottle, since I mix all my paints right inside my squeeze bottles. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my acrylic paints. That way it doesn't crack while it's drying. That needed to come out the last time, and why I didn't take it out is beyond me. But I'm going to do it right now, because that would be smart. Oh yeah, that's a good chunk of whatever. I want lots and lots of this, and I think it's almost time to go shopping and buy some more, because I really, really love it. So I haven't tried adding a little white in between on these, and maybe I'm going to do that. I think that's an Anita's metallic white, and we won't know unless we try. Really? Fine, it's going to be that kind of day. At least it's accidental art in such a way that that is not going to be the end of the world. But I do want whatever's in that tip to be removed right now before it does that again to me. I don't know why that happened. I didn't even find anything in there. Alright, so I've been really enjoying putting the minty green. Okay then, now you know where the paint goes. That was interesting. That might be a first. Let's see what else we've got here. I really, really like this. And I loved my blue, but I did not use a ton of it. Ooh, that's nice. I believe that's a cobalt. Oh, don't tell me I'm going to change my mind again. I better not. I wonder what would happen if I put some copper in there. I wonder what would happen if I found the copper. That might be neat. I wonder. Oh, I had 2 caps on that. How interesting. At least it's still free-flowing. And it's got other stuff coming out. I kind of want some black in there, you know? I really, really want to use some Prussian blue in a few places, and some of the dioxazine blue, purple, excuse me. And then I'm probably going to give myself permission to do some interesting changes. We'll see. I don't want to go too much further, or I might be sorry. I'm still liking what I've got. I didn't use any orange. That's a color shift. The color shifts are more or less either art mines or folk art. And I didn't use any turquoise. Oh, I love this turquoise too. Yes, that's what I wanted right there. Perfect. Now last time I put a lot of extra white in between, but I'm not sure what the point would be for that. So right now, I'm not going to do that. I am going to take a little of this, yeah, because I can. Hey, that's the name of my book on the Amazon link. Below, show more, underneath the video. I didn't use very much of that. I'd like a different purple. I used to have a whole bunch of them. I think I used them all up. That's pretty much similar to the other one. Yeah, it's very similar. Okay, well, it's time to play or go home. Do I want any more gold? I might want a little more gold. I might add whatever I want also. So I'm going to do what I did, and I'm going to start by rotating and wonder if I can keep my white shapes in between. I really like them. I would be very surprised if I could keep them though. I'm liking that copper right there so much I'm going to give myself some more of it. And as much as I like this gold, I like the green gold with it. I've got bubbles, I see bubbles. I usually torch to remove the bubbles, but I don't want to gum up the surface of my artwork yet. You know what I've got that I want? I want to see what some of this forest green looks like in there. I think I'm going to like that. A lot, actually. So much so I'm going to throw it in there too. That's interesting right down here. I think that wants a little more treatment. You know, I love being a woman and my prerogative being to change my mind. It's a great set of circumstances to have at your disposal. That's very not what I had in mind. I'm pretty sure that's not what I had in mind, but I bet this might be closer to what I had in mind. Yes. Is that the same as that? No, but it's close. But I bet this is different. Yes, it is. I know, I make rules for myself and then I break them immediately, so thank you for bearing with me. And I can never ever get enough of this neon purple from Folk Art, which is a multi-surface neon purple from Folk Art. Now I put a whole lot more paint in my way, and I am going to bring my edge catcher over. And I'm certainly thinking about what I might want to do as far as blowing things around or separating things out. I am going to let that all go down there and rock the edge and let it flow back. Scrape it off. See if I want to put it in anywhere. Use my turntable for a change. Let everything tilt in a different direction. Please don't swallow my purple. I'm not a slow tipper, so I apologize. If you're capable of slow tipping, you should have at it. You do get different kind of really cool effects. I do have intentions to do other things to this, and I've only got 1 minute 15 seconds left, so maybe I took a little longer than I was supposed to futzing around with choosing my colors, but I like my colors. And I think I'm pretty satisfied with them. I'm watching where everything is going, wishing I could keep that purple. Can we drag that right down there? Maybe not. So I'm going to recenter my paint to someplace I want it. And then I'm going to see if I have enough time to do what I intended on doing after I scrape off my edge catcher. And put that color right up there. Because I can, the name of my book on the Amazon link. Under Show More. Just going to use a bamboo skewer to herd a little paint and wonder if I have all the colors in there that I really want, because I wonder about my purple. And I have my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and a will to use them to put color where I might want it. I kind of think I want some gold down here, but more to the point. Really? Okay, fine. Be that way. That's not what I had in mind, and there's something in it. I'll let that go over the edge. I think I'm going to blow the edges out. Where's my tubing? Yeah, I'm not minding that too much. Kind of thinking I could add white to the edges. I think it's just going to wind up being blown out. And maybe tipped again when the timer goes off shortly. Oh look, I got 4 minutes. I'm wrong about the time. Wow. Okay, I can do all kinds of stuff still. Never mind. So let's do all kinds of stuff. Excellent. Let's do some stuff with stuff that will come out of bottles. Yes, that's the ticket right there. As many things as I've done, I don't know that I've ever just blown into it. The composition where I wanted to. Although somebody's probably correcting me in the audience, I'm sure of it. So that just makes me want orange because... No, that's not the orange I want. Because that copper looks so cool. Now I get to see if I'm right or not. Let's see what it looks like when I surround that with gold and do it again. Let's just keep playing with whatever we want. I think the white makes a great catalyst. And the white is drying around the edges. I just want to stick my face down in there and go. Because I can. Hey, that is cool. You know what? That's just what's going to happen. It's not a Dutch pour, it's an American pour. I know that the Prussian blue, when I blow it up, it's going to sell. This is at best a very risky procedure, I guarantee that. but it does make me want to go ahead and risk everything and have some fun, which is what my day was supposed to be about anyway. And there are beautiful colors, so even if I sort of mess up the design that I like, I live in hope that other things will occur that will make me comfort me. I'm still putting colors where I like them. It makes me want to have some yellow. Do I dare? Yellow is sometimes way more yellow than I want it to be. I wonder if I can put a little dab will do me sort of thing. Not sure about that. I think I should find the white that isn't metallic, actually. No, that didn't bother me. Cool. Surprise, surprise. And if my skewer's cleaned off, big if, I can probably pounce that little flat end. Do I love what I've got? I'm not sure. I don't think I used nearly enough of this iridescent Art Minds purple. That's my 2-minute warning. I kind of just want to put I just kind of want to put Prussian blue all the way through it. And I think it needs to be swiped or tipped more than anything. And torched. But I love my colors, and I'm not unhappy with my patterns, although I'd like something in here that's more that I've got. Oh, that's not what I was planning on, but it's okay. And I was afraid I might lose all that if I did that, so I wasn't far off. I want to do the same thing over here. Just because I know the gold will sell. This reminds me of some stuff I did way back when I started that was fun. You guys are going to be gone, and I want to tell you I love you, and there's almost 80,000 of you if there aren't already. Closing right in, pretty quick. Thank you for stopping. Check out the end screens for contests where you can donate and win if you win the drawing, you'll have a choice of prizes, or credits, or a book, or all of the above. I think that was blue. I'm still not hating this, and I think you guys are going to be gone in absolutely a minute. So if you wouldn't mind, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm know where to place me. And the more people that see me and subscribe, the more likely I am to continue to come back here, even if things change at YouTube. I love you guys, and I would love to stay. And I'm trying to figure out ways to make that work, and one of them is if I can sell some artwork and help pay the bills, or have people donate to help me buy art supplies, then I can continue on as I like. We got some beautiful cells and no GAC 800 in this. This is Priscilla Batzell. Excuse me. Only GAC 800, no silicone. My mistake again. So even if my paint is thick, the GAC 800 from Golden protects it. And I like this. I wasn't sure I was going to, but I really do. So much so, I'm going to give myself some more of my favorite color. Just because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. So shop